This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Gemini as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right up this way, you can see I have an app called Google Gemini. If I double click on that and open it, it opens up Gemini as a desktop app. You still have basically all the same functions, it's just now operating as a desktop app. The way to do this, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to delete my desktop app. I'm going to open up my installed apps. Right in here, Google Gemini, it is installed as an app. I'm going to uninstall this, and then I'll show you how to install it. It's pretty simple to do. It is now uninstalled on my system. You could use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it on both. I'm going to start off with the Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up Chrome. I'm going to go to Google Gemini. I'm on Google Gemini now. Make sure that you are logged in. I see my profile icon here. I am logged in. Next thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. Click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and go down to where it says Install Page as App. Click on Install Page as App. A little dialog box will open up. It asks you, do you want to rename this app? I'm going to leave it the way it is. Then all you would do is go down and click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to close this out. On the Edge web browser, go to Google Gemini. Make sure that you are logged in. Then you want to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. Click on the three-dot menu. Then you will go down and place your cursor over More Tools. You'll slide straight off to the left and place your cursor over Apps. And then you'll slide straight off to the right and you want to click on Install this site as an app. It shows the Google Gemini icon there. I'm going to click on Install this site as an app. A little dialog box will open up. It says Install this site as an app. It asks you if you want to rename it. Then you will click on Install. It'll just take it a couple seconds and then it opens up automatically. The app is now open. There's a little dialog box. It asks where you want to pin the icon. Do you want to pin it to the taskbar? Do you want to pin it to the start? Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? Do you want it to auto start on device login? You just have to use your own preferences here. I'm going to go with Create Desktop Shortcut. And then I'm going to click on Allow. Now I'm going to close this out. And right here, I have an app called Google Gemini. I'm going to double click on it to open it. It opens up Google Gemini as a desktop app. That is how to install Gemini as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.